Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're reviewing Intellectia AI, an AI-powered swing trading and investment platform that claims to simplify and automate your trading experience. We've tested it, explored its feature, and here's what we found. Intellectia AI is designed to assist traders, especially those who don't have time to constantly monitor the markets, by using artificial intelligence to generate swing trading signals and manage risk. The platform promises smarter decision-making through automated analysis, backtesting, and even portfolio optimization. We spent a couple of weeks using Intellectia AI across different market conditions. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate. The signal alerts were timely and backed by technical data, and we appreciated the transparency in performance metrics. It's not a get-rich-quick tool, but it's definitely helpful for making informed trading decisions without spending hours on charts. What we liked most? AI-powered signals that actually adapt to trends, easy-to-use UI even for intermediate traders, and helpful educational content inside the platform. Some drawbacks? It's not for complete beginners. You still need some basic trading knowledge. Limited customization on strategies if you're an advanced trader. So, is Intellectia AI actually good? For swing traders looking to level up their trading with AI support, it's a solid tool. This has been How to Literally, where we keep things smart and simple and scam-free.